which is just a wonderful treat. Oh, hi there, everyone. It's your girl Norleen, and I'm back in the kitchen with another of Jamaica's finest recipe. Now, guys, in the frying pan, in half of a hint ginger, which has been pressed, and I place it in the hot oil, and I've added my lamb ribs to it. I've sectioned the ribs, guys, and I'm gonna sear this on both sides until I get a nice golden brown color. This will last for about 5 minutes. So guys, I'm cooking it on both sides. Basically, I'm just searing it quickly so that I keep all my juices in my lamb. Guys, after that, I remove it from the frying pan and I place it on a baking tray. Now guys, I'm using the same oil from that I used to sear the lamb rib, and in that I will add my chopped vegetables. I have onion, garlic, bell pepper, and scotch bonnet pepper, and I stir fry just to activate the flavors. I'm gonna spoon this onto the lamb and stick it in the oven covered with foil for about 10 minutes. Guys, I'm gonna use the same frying pan. I'm added half cup of chicken stock, also 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm just gonna leave it on the stove to cook down until I get a sticky consistency in the liquid. Guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to remove my lamb from the oven and spoon this over the lamb. I'm going to stick it back into the oven for an additional 10 minutes, and I'm going to turn it to broil because I want to get a nice glaze over the lamb rib and keep also the moisture in. So guys, I'm going to serve this with cream sweet potato. This is more like a candied sweet potato. So I've cooked it until it's soft. Drain the water from the potato, and to that I've added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of nutmeg. I'm going to use my fork to crush this, and then as soon as it is all mashed, I will add 2 tablespoons of margarine. I want that fresh margarine flavor in the candied yam, guys. So guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm sure your mouth is watering already. But no, so I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like. So I've removed the lamb from the oven, and guys, I'm just gonna spoon the sauce over the lamb so that I can retain the juices, because remember, I get that golden crisp top when I place the oven on broil. So guys, I'm plating the meal, and I'm sure you see how inviting this looks. So there it is, guys, another of my favorite from my pot onto my daughter's table. Remember guys, like, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Wims2020 and on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoes. Remember, share this video with your friends. Let them know a food we prepare. Come get your share. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick review of the meal. Okay, so let's get this down. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a quick review of the lamb and the cream sweet potato. This is more like a candied sweet potato. Only thing, it is done on the stove top. So guys, let me dig into the, I'm gonna give you a close-up of this. Let's see if I can get it better. Okay, so it is moist, it is tender. I'm sure you can see it, it's cooked right through, and I'm going guys, This has the right amount of sweet and the right amount of savory taste. The brown sugar sauce, that it is just delightful. This is just a wonderful treat this morning in my brunch. So I'm gonna go in with alright, so I'm gonna add some onions and peppers to the lamb. Guys, a party's in my mouth right now. You taste that sweet, you get that flavor from the peppers, you get that flavor from the onions, and it's like getting one of those highs that you don't want to come down off. This is it, guys. Call your friends over. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Wims2020. Like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoes. I encourage you, share this with your friend. Let them know a food we're prepared. Come, get your share. Love you all. Thank you guys for your support. Peace. Wims is out.